For those that love their steak, today couldn't get any better. We're going to be making a Brazilian-inspired churrasco with some beautiful rump steak with a lovely dressing of chimichurri on the side to go with it. And all of these are going to be cooked on these fabulously big skewers on our Greek barbecues, all part of CyprusBBQ.co.uk. When it comes to barbecuing, I'm a great believer that less is more. All you need are great ingredients, awesome charcoal, and a fantastic Greek barbecue. And today, we've got all three. So we've got our steak here, so let's first get these dressed. And with these steaks, you want to fold them once in half, like that, straight down onto the board. And that's your churrasco ready to go. Let's get it on the barbecue. When I was traveling around Brazil and Argentina and South America, I loved a bit of churrasco, especially with that chimichurri sauce. So this is my take on an old favourite. And that is going to be ready to have with our steaks. So the meat's been resting for about 10 minutes, which I can't emphasise how important that step is. Let's take off a chunk and have a look. And that is what cooking on the Greek rotisserie barbecues is all about. Perfectly cooked, even cooking throughout. I mean, it's the only way to go for the perfect steak. Now I think let's have a little drizzle of our chimichurri sauce over the top of that. Let's not muck about, I've got to taste this. I'm going for that one right there in the middle. That is so tender. The chimichurri cuts straight through all the beef, but that beef is amazing. And you can only do that on the rotisserie barbecues. So it's constantly turning and self-basting. You get that even cook, that searing on the outside. That is a pleasure. You need to get one of these.